Okay, Henny, behave yourself. Mm-hmm. Woo! See that? One hand. Pineapple time. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Now I look for the core right here. Come over the core, and I start turning. Try to keep this straight though, because this is going off course a little bit. Okay, feel it at the bottom. Oh yeah! Grab my little butcher knife again. Bang. Got my pineapple juice in there, and I gotta cut this piece out. It's a little bit of surgery. Brand new. Mm-hmm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we pina colada in this. This right here, cream of coconut, you put this in pina colada. So pina colada would just be pineapple juice, this, and rum. We just switch it out to Hennessy, you see what I'm saying? So we get a nice little bit in there. That is very sweet, guys, but damn, it's delicious, okay? Now, guys, we gotta get some ice in here, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Oh, look at that goodness. Now watch this on, boy, watch this. Oh, yes. Now you gotta leave a little bit of space, right? You don't want to go all the way in because we need to build something on top of that. By the way, did y'all figure out why I left this slice? Well, let me show you the latest in design and technology. So what I'm doing now is I come in behind here like so to wrap around to give me that exotic pineapple look. You see what I'm saying? Now I come in with my little hen. Okay, hen, behave yourself. Mm-hmm. Now, once my hand's done, I come in with a little bit of caramel stuff and start in the back, you see? Oh, goodness. Martha Stewart, you see this girl? Oh, Lord. That Sky John boy is building some stuff out there. We need to watch him. Keep your eyes on me, Martha. Okay? You watching Snoop? Watch me. And there you have it, man. The Henny Colada in a pineapple. Watch me put my lips on this. Damn, it's delicious. Guess what, you know what I mean? If you need a little bit of flavoring, you just grab this. Damn, I don't even taste the Colada. I just taste the Henny now. Anyway, this one's fun. Drink responsibly. Don't drink and drive. Stay tipsy. Henny burns your soul, like seriously. Like, you know, I felt empty, but I drank that and I felt the Lord inside me just warming me up. Amen, amen. That could be heavenly or that could be something else, I don't know. All right, later.